So in your company code also will define the tolerance group first. TA20 is our company code, right? OBA4. So you know how to go with the
I guess you're not sharing
navigation.
this.
Sorry. Now you know how to go with the transaction. I mean, sorry, path, right? Navigation. You know how to go with the navigation. So OBA4 is the T code. Click on new entry. So since we are defining company code base, so give the company code TA20. Amount per document here we'll give 5 lakh. Anything for your testing purpose, you can give anything. Okay. This is where you have to define. If you want to define any tolerance group user base, you can define because you have different user IDs, right? You can borrow the user IDs of each and everyone. You can do the testing. Okay. Now another topic, moving to the another topic, we have something called document splitting. First, we'll discuss about document splitting. Then we'll discuss about, I will show you the, I will explain you what is document splitting first. So first we'll write some points here for tolerance group. Tolerance group helps the user, no, allow the user authorization to post the document, to post the maximum amount per document. It also allow users the authorization to post maximum amount per open item. When I say open item means invoice, whether it is for vendor or customer, okay? Either for vendor or customer. Tolerance group created at the company code level. If tolerance group created at the company code level, then this is applicable for all the users, whoever posting for that company code. Means if tolerance group is created at the company code level, then this is applicable for all the users, whoever posting for that company code. Okay. We can also create tolerance group, sorry, user based tolerance group. In this case, this user has different limit. Okay, any question? Anyone?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
No, sir.
So we'll do one thing. We'll move on to the document splitting topic. It's very important topic for the interview point of view also, document splitting. See, normally what happens, see, whenever we post any document, okay, we are posting at the company code level. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So at any given point of time, what we can do is we can get the balance sheet and profit or loss account at the company code level. At any point of time, we can get it. But in a modern business, okay, organization need not only at the company code level, they want to see the balance sheet based on each location wise or based on each product wise. They want to see the financial statement as per the internal management policy. This is only for the internal management policy. They want to analyze the performance of each location or each product. Because of that, document splitting has come into the picture. SAP has introduced the document splitting topic. If you want the balance sheet and profit and loss account based on additional parameter other than the company code. Okay. Let's say, for example, you have one company code. It has got two plants. Okay. One company code, it has two plants. So at company code level, you can always see the balance sheet because all the transaction are getting posted at the company code level. But if the management is interested to know how each plant is performing, they want to analyze the performance based on the plant wise. Then we can see that. We can see financial statement for company code level at any given point of time. Due to document splitting, we can also get the reporting based on additional parameter such as profit center, segment, etc. Means apart from your company code, we can also get the reporting based on the profit center level and segment. What is profit center? We'll get to know. We'll understand what is profit center. Profit center, it can be a location or a product or a process. Anything you can consider as a profit center. If I give you one example, let's say I'm giving you example of Apple company. Apple company, they sell laptops and they provide services. And they also sell mobile phone. Correct? They sell laptop they provide services, they also sell mobile phone. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, if you are interested to know what is the profit you are getting for selling the laptops and mobile phone and services differently. So for that purpose, what you can do that you can create laptop division as one profit center. Then mobile phone division, another profit center. Same way, services also another profit center. So here you can see the profit and loss account balance sheet based on the product wise or particular line of business. Correct? One line of business. This is called one line of business because Apple has multiple business within the Apple company. They sell laptop, they sell mobile phone, they provide services. Example. So for each, you can also see the, for profit, so for laptop division, they can create one profit center, and for mobile phone, another profit center, and for services, another profit center. So as a whole, you can, at any point of time, you can get the profit and loss account and balance sheet at the company code level. But you want to know, management is interested to know how your laptop division is performing, how your mobile phone division is performing, either they are getting profit or loss. So because of that reason, we have to go with the profit center concept. So this will be possible only with the document splitting concept. Okay, I will tell you one more thing. Let's say when vendor supplying the material, vendor supplying material, it will be based on company code. Okay, say for example, you are posting one vendor invoice. While posting the vendor invoice, what happens? You will be debiting the purchase account. Or let's say, for example, you have given a contract to the vendor for maintenance purpose. So what happens? You will be debiting your maintenance account and credit the vendor account. Let's say for 1 lakh rupees. So here business scenario is, understand the business scenario. You have asked the vendor to perform maintenance for 2 plants. So for each plant, how much their vendor should be charging? 50,000 and 50,000. Do you agree? Total invoice vendor is sending to you 1 lakh rupees. But he has done maintenance for 2 plants. Do you agree with that?
Yes, sir.
So what
Yes, sir.
happens? Due to the document splitting, user will post maintenance account, debit for 50,000. Again, he will post the maintenance account debit for 50,000 to vendor account, credit for 1 lakh. So this debit of profit, it is going to another one profit center, which is 1,000. This is going to 2,000 profit center. Example I'm showing you. Just, but if you look at the vendor amount, vendor is credited with only 1 lakh. So with this, without document splitting, you will not be able to know what is the liability of the vendor based on the profit center wise. Can you see that? Because we are creating the vendor amount only with 1 lakh rupees. We are not doing the breakup of the vendor here. Okay, we are not doing the breakup out of this 1 lakh payable, how much amount should be paid by this profit center? How much amount should be paid by this profit center, right? Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
So with the help of document splitting, what happens? System will split the amount once you activate document splitting. System will split the vendor line item into two. Then the accounting entry would be like this. After the document splitting. So this vendor account will get split into two. 50,000 then 50,000. So instead of vendor, it will take reconciliation account. What is reconciliation account? We'll discuss later. So it will be credited with this profit center. So as and when you see the balance sheet, it will show you this location is liable to pay to the vendor 50,000. Another location is liable to pay to the vendor 50,000. This is the concept. So we have only less than a minute left. I will send you the another link.
Okay, sir.